Big breath in.
Oh,
Get little cracks here. Big breath in. You got this. Hold in. That went to the back of the throat.
oh God, that just popped my ears.
Good. When's the last time you breathed out well?
35 years ago. It's phenomenal. It's phenomenal. Being able to breathe again. My nose has been broke a few times. I block a lot of punches with my face. That's the sadomasochist in me. It's like, it doesn't become real and fun until I get punched in the face.
Oh, God.
And it's like, yeah, all right, wait. Now it's time to play.
No snoring.
Slept all night.
Oh, it's incredible. And that's different for you.
Yeah, how often do I usually wake up? I toss and turn most of the night,
He
right?
tosses and turns all night.
Yeah.
Yeah, but this time you weren't.
No. I have night sweats and stuff, and I didn't even sweat last night.
He didn't move at all.
Whoa,
At all. He just sat, he just laid there like
Yeah.
a little baby.
It's like a new man right now.
Yeah.